So as you can see, I did my face and my eyebrows already. I primed already, and for my eyeshadow today, the most of my eyeshadow I'm going to use is the Hoola bronzer. So yeah, I'm just going to be applying this on my crease and on my eyelid. So oh, so yeah, I wanted to actually show you guys what kind of makeup look I'm going off of, and I'm really excited for the lip. Like, really excited for the lip. So it is by Brickell, and I'll turn it so you can see. This is the look that I'm gonna go for today. So I'll zoom in. It's just very glowy and very highlighted, and I love the bright lip. So that's what I'm going to be doing for my spring makeup look today. And then, yeah, so it just looks like she kind of has like just like one color in her eyes, and then she did winged eyeliner and lashes. So that's what I'm going to be doing for my eye makeup today. And then highlighting like crazy. And I'm also going to put this on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I'm going to try and film it. We'll see how the angles go, but for my eyeliner I'm going to be using the Too Faced sketch marker in black, basically. So now that that's done, I'm just leaving it the way it is because it's terrible. I'm gonna actually tight line with the MAC Costa Riche eye pencil, and then I might, should I go on the bottom? I think I might. I don't know though. Yeah, I think I might, just to like give my eyes a little pop. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Bad Gal Bang mascara. So far been liking it. I was like, yo, why are people like going crazy about it? But I like how much like length it gives. Like length and volume. Because like, especially because it doesn't fall throughout the day. It's real nice. Let me stop talking while I do this. So I think the last few things for me to do is highlight. I think I'm gonna go with Glow Getter or 143. Yeah, I'm gonna go with 143 just because I really wanted like a really light gold. I thought that's what the white was gonna be, but it's not. It's like blue. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with 143 and build that thing up. And then I need to like go crazy on my inner corner. So I'm just gonna go over top with MAC Double Gleam and make it like a little bit more white. I don't know if this is actually gonna do that. And what's next? I think just the lip. And I'm nervous for the lip because it's so bright. And I like suck at putting lipstick on. So we're gonna try it today. This is what I'm doing. I'm mixing Stila Beso with Coco, the Coco collection in OKURRR. So I want to get this like strawberry red color that she has on. I'm pretty sure she's using like an Anastasia color, but I don't have a lot of reds or bright colors, so this is what I'm using to mix today. And I'm going to use a lip brush around the edges of my lips with the red. So yeah, I'm going to go in with the red first and then over top with the OKURRR color. And hopefully it makes a strawberry color. Oh goodness, just grabbed the like wand part. I'm so nervous. Oh, that looks really pretty. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispies, not Demi, because I wanted it to be extra today, just like this girl, Raquel. Alright guys, that is it for this spring makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm going to try and actually post a lot more than I have been, so just subscribe down below and be on the lookout for more videos from me, and I'll see you guys next time.